Grease. I'm blessed. Yeah. If I pull up on the strip, it's murder. Pull up in the whip, it's murder. Pull up on your chick, it's murder. Pull up with a stick, it's murder. Don't give me that burner. I'll slap it like what? Slap it like who? Slap it like what? Slap it like who? Slap it like I turn.
Hey guys, we're back today. We're gonna be unboxing the Nike Sacai LDwaffle. I'm so excited to unbox these. These are wild. I wasn't sure if I was gonna pick them up or not, and then I did, I had to. I mean, let's get into these. I'm so excited. I've been waiting to open these for a day now, and they've been sitting there doing nothing. So, let's see. Woo! That is fresh. Let's see one more just to make sure we got that. So these shoes are very cool because they literally combined two shoes and just added them together. And I think you can kind of notice it when you first see the shoe. There is literally this lip hanging off the back. If that's not the first thing I notice, I don't know what is. Maybe it's the double tongues, the double laces, the double swoosh, the beautiful blue mesh that you can see directly through. This shoe had so many surprises to me that I didn't realize until I saw it in person. It is something special. It's like nothing else I've ever seen. That is the very first pair of shoes I have ever bought that is individually wrapped. And that's a lot of shoes we're talking about here. So that is the only pair. So it's very cool to see the Sacai collab just being different. The box is a little different as well, but I love how they incorporated the double swoosh, even with that silver metallic back. I think that's a very cool part of the shoe. It's not a very big part of it, but I love those little attention to details. Even talking about this upper here, I mean, you got a red suede, a blue leather, and then a blue mesh. So I just love how they combined all the aspects of both shoes and kind of put it into the one. This is very special. I didn't notice at first. I was kind of looking at them as I was speaking. I didn't want to forget to say this because it's so cool. On the bottom of these shoes, I'm gonna show you real quick, and then I'm gonna show my guy over here. We actually have the US patent on the bottom that they have on the waffle. So this is an old patent that they've had for years. I think that's so cool, just that a little attention to detail. These shoes are just so different than anything else. You're not gonna see anything else like this. And the one thing, I mean, if you look at this, this reminds me of like you eating a sandwich and you bite it and everything shoots out the back end. That is exactly what this looks like. If you notice, you're missing some of that middle sole here. Well, I found it. It's right here. They literally just left it out. Who else does that? So I can't wait to pair these with some crazy fit. What would you guys wear with these? Someone please help me out. I don't know. Do I go all black with the color pop? Do I try and match one of these 5 colors? I don't know. Please tell me. And as always, with this being a special shoe, you know, since it's mine, we got to lick the bottom. Thanks for watching.